Don't be recorded, babe. People can't find out what we doing.
What you doing, babe?
I can't tell you, man.
Oh, man.
Nobody need to know what we doing.
Look like you setting up for the next challenge, man.
Is that a challenge?
Yeah, look like you setting up for the next challenge. Hey, you guys, guess what? We back again for another challenge. We got the H2Dotz 3-in-1 dispenser where you can make your own. You can make your own H2Dotz, your vases, your diffuser, or your stress ball. You make your own stress ball right here. So we get ready to set this up. Once we get it going, what we're gonna do is we're preparing the stress balls up first because it takes 4 hours. You have to put the balls in the water. Initially, this is what they look like before they return in the ball. So we put this in the water for about 4 hours, and after 4 hours, we're going to come back. We're going to put all the balls in here, and then we're going to make our stress balls. And you guys let us know who made the best stress ball. Boom. H2Dotz challenge. Let's go.
6.5 hours later.
Guys, here are the Orbeez. Yeah, you can see it's been 6 hours. We drained most of the water out of them. As you can see, they have expanded to about 100 times their size right here. These are the Orbeez. Got blue, green, orange, red, purple, pink, and then yellow. And what we get ready to do is next we're gonna put these Orbeez into here, and we're gonna show you how to make a stress ball. And the other thing, what you're gonna make, Ben?
A little diffuser, like a little scenty thing that you can set in your bathroom.
Yep.
You find them in the Dollar Tree.
Okay. Yep. So you'll be able to put scent on these Orbeez and have like a little diffuser. So we're going to show you that next.
So with this cool little kit here, they give you a little dispenser where you can fill them up in here and then do different things. So today I'm going to do 2 options for you. They have a couple. On here, they advertise it as a stress ball, which is what I'm going to do for you guys. And also, and you can put them in your flowers. Like when you put real flowers in a vase with just the water to get the roots going, and you just want your vase to look pretty, you can put these in the bottom. And that's a sample of that. Or you can make a scented oil diffuser. And you know your girl loves the scented oil diffuser! Anyway, so this is my first time doing this, so any mistakes, forgive me in advance. But we're going to try to make this work for you guys. So actually, I'm going to do 2 little ones because I'm going to do them for my bathrooms. And this is like this is sweet pea jasmine. And it's just good for a diffuser. It's not an actual real essential oil, but it's good for diffusers. So I'm going to try that because I want to see how it works. And then I actually got my real scented oils, which is lavender and peppermint. I'm trying to see if I want to mix them together or make them separate. But anyway, with all that being said, let's move on to the project. So you're supposed to be able to it has 3 buttons, and as y'all see, y'all know what the girl favorite color is. So I filled one completely with that. It is actually 2 different color greens. And then this one is purple and yellow, and then I just mixed this one. I probably should have put that one in the middle. But anyway, we are going to dispense some of them and see how we can get this going. I think I want to do the stress ball first. I feel like it's going to be more messy. And these things are going to go everywhere, but let's check it out. So I'm going to test it to see if I can actually get this thing to dispense right into the balloon. Don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. So that is going to be an epic fail. I mean, one went in, but that's going to take us forever. So I'm going to use my handy dandy measuring cup. Do a couple here. in the little dispenser and see how quickly they are coming out. Let me see if I could get you guys a better view. So they're coming right out. Well, now it's going to make a liar on me, but there you go. And then we're going to put these in the balloons to make a stress ball. And this is a cheap, cool project to do with kids or as an adult who might be stressed out a lot. This project probably cost us a total, I think, of $6.50. Okay, this is a little bit more complicated than the picture made it look. But it'll teach you patience. You're gonna have to do some patience.
One eternity later.
So you have to buy your balloons separately. The hubby wanted to try to do clear so you could see them better. But I also figured out another way. We're using a funnel. And then I'm going to use this. And as you see how quickly that fills up there. Now what I did was I pulled it down, as you can see. And see, they still, they going in. I got a little excited. The diffuser ones are actually smelling really nice, you guys. I'm just going to use what's in here. But if you pull it down, it allows for the other ones to get in there. Remember, you're dealing with latex, so you can move it the way you want. One more. Okay. And now we're going to tie it. Ta-da! What I found was, as you hold the opening of the balloon over top of your little container, and you can drop them in. So for people who need, you know, something to relax them, calm them, that is pretty cool. And then you have this cool little stress ball at the end. And it really feels like a stress ball you would buy at the store with the little balls in them. So that's pretty cool. That was one project. Then we also made, we thought to do something a little different. Instead of just doing 2 regular stress balls, this one we put a little air in it. So if you can hear, it's a little soothing, something good to play with, you know, just to roll around. What is it? ASMRI people will probably really love this. And then you can see how cool the pretty colors are. And then lastly is my diffuser. I went on and started this one. And so far, I did lavender and peppermint because those are like the 2 best essential oils, pretty much. My opinion, but the truth. And this one's smelling pretty good so far. So I'm going to make one more in front of you guys so that you can see instructional videos. Also, I found that using the measuring cup with the pointer is really good because they are very, very, very slippery. And they just go all over the place. So what I did with the first one was I poured a couple. As y'all see, I just got crazy and mixed all the colors together, whereas first I was keeping them separate. And this is jasmine. Again, made for a diffuser, not necessarily essential oil. But I like the smell of it. So we're going to put a couple of drops. I did 6. Then I'm going to pour a little bit more. Because the thing is, you want this to set maybe on the back of your toilet as a diffuser. And that time I did 10 because I did literally drops. And it smells pretty awesome. Can you smell it, hubby?
Yeah, it smells good.
So, today what did we learn, boys and girls? We learned that Orbeez, well, H2Dotz, kit from 5 and Below, aka Orbeez, You can get a dispenser for them. You soak them for 4 hours or overnight. The more water that they soak up, the bigger they get. And then you can put them in this cool dispenser. You can make stress balls. We decided to do an edited stress ball for our own pleasure. And we made 2 diffusers, one with essential oils and one with like a diffuser oil. And that is our video for today. Thank you for watching our video. Like, subscribe, share, and follow us on Instagram.
Peace.